Despite their solid structure, our bones are in a constant state of flux. They are always being broken down by cells called osteoclasts and built up by special cells called osteoblasts. Strong, healthy bones depend on osteoblasts to keep up and build at least as much bone as our osteoclasts break down during stress. Osteoclasts first secrete acids onto the bone's surface, which release the minerals from the bone matrix. They then secrete enzymes which dissolve the bone matrix itself. This is the breakdown of bone tissue. Osteoblasts are the cells that produce and lay down this liquid bone matrix onto the bone surface in the first place. It's important to note that the production of this collagen-based bone matrix is impossible without magnesium. Now, once the newly laid bone matrix solidifies and becomes mineralized with calcium, phosphate, and other minerals, some of the osteoblasts then become embedded into the bone tissue, transforming into sensory cells called osteocytes. Some of the other osteoblasts become dormant and transform into lining cells on the surface of the bone. Our osteoblasts engage this bone-building process under two different circumstances. We already know about bone remodeling, which is when our osteoblasts rebuild the bone that our osteoclasts have broken down as a result of stress. The second circumstance is bone modeling, when osteoblasts build new bone during phases of human growth or to grow stronger and adapt to mechanical stress such as exercise, which is sensed by the osteocytes. Magnesium is essential to both bone modeling and remodeling because our osteoblasts need magnesium for their energy supply, their ability to produce bone matrix, and our ability to replicate and maintain sufficient osteoblast numbers. Simply put, bone formation and maintaining strong, healthy bones is magnesium dependent.